Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome to another episode of Realtors Corner with Sam. I am your host, Samantha Mitchell with Remax Royal Properties and the Honest Realtors team. Today, we're going to be talking about Authentisign and why it is so awesome. Let's get into it. So Authentisign is an online document signing service that allows multiple parties to participate and sign documents electronically. So this is the platform that realtors typically use during the offer signing process. So realtors have access to whichever board that they are assigned to. So for example, I am with TREB, which is the Toronto Real Estate Board, and through there I have access to web forms, which is how we prepare offers, and then also Authentisign, which is where we prepare for signing of these documents. So this probably sounds familiar to some of you guys by now. If you've ever used DocuSign, then it's essentially the same idea as Authentisign. It's just that the difference is that typically realtors use Authentisign, but the concept is the same. So the idea is to add signatures electronically. So this includes the buyer's realtor, the seller's realtor, as well as obviously the buyers and the sellers. So first you add all your contacts, including your clients, their email address, their phone numbers, and then you can also help them customize an e-signature for them. And also, not only can you add electronic signatures, but you can customize the offer as well. So you can cross out any unnecessary clauses that you're getting rid of. You can initialize any changes that are made to the offer and also timestamp. So the timestamp will show the exact day and time that a change or a signature was made. So basically, us as the realtor, we are setting up the offer to make it as simple as possible for you guys. So we're placing where you sign, we're making the changes, crossing out the clauses, adding the locations for the initials, we're adding the timestamp so that when we're done, we send you the email and all you guys are doing through your phone or your computer is just clicking. You're just click, click, click for every signature that's been made. As soon as you guys are done signing, we get the email back showing us all of the signed documents and a message saying that everything has been signed. Honestly, guys, this isn't just a huge game changer for the real estate business, but just business in general. So if you think about lawyers, contractors, think back to when the pandemic first started and there was no in-person meetings. How do you think these things were getting done? Zoom meetings, Authentisign, DocuSign, this is a huge game changer. So imagine a time before Authentisign. So say you're in the middle of an offer process and now you have to get these documents signed. So you have to set the time aside to meet up with your realtor. So this is time outside of work, outside of kids, outside of life's general problems or whatever comes up that day. You have to set this time aside, meet in person, sign these documents, initial everything, cross out anything that is unnecessary. You have to send everything back to the other party, and it could turn into a situation where there's counter offers. So now you and the other party are going back and forth and you're just consistently signing and crossing everything out, but not from the comfort of your own home or your phone, computer, what have you. And that is it for this week, guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification so that you never miss any of my videos. And also feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions regarding Authentisign. I'm always happy to talk all things real estate. And stay tuned, guys. I will see you guys soon. Have a great, safe, and productive week.